What's up, everybody? Welcome again to our channel, The Millosphere. And I want to say Happy New Year to everybody. It's a new year, 2021. We have a lot of things planned up, and it's that time of the year again when everybody tries to review their financial stance and their goals and things they set up for themselves and all their plans and see how far they've gone and how they can set a new one for the year. Yeah, I wish you all the best with that, and I wish you success in everything we do this year. You're welcome again to our channel, The Millosphere. Today, I'm going to be talking about how you can get started with cryptocurrency and how you can trade using Binance. So, if you're not subscribed to our channel, you can subscribe. Once again, my name is Senti, and also make sure that at the end of the video, if you found the video valuable or you found the information, very refreshing and informative to you, you can just give us a like and comment, give us a comment, and just help us to build our community here. Um, Before you go into cryptocurrency and before we get started, I'd like to let you know that this is not a market that you can just jump into maybe because you see your friends are making money and you're, oh, let me to go into this. There's a lot of buzz right now because the market is in a bull run, and it will still get to an end at some point, and then it's going to drop. So don't panic. It's not something you just jump into. You just watch. But first, I always tell people before you get into cryptocurrency, find the knowledge first. Get the knowledge. And we are here to help you with that on the Millosphere. We actually have a course that is lined up. It's one of the things that we have been working on. That's why we've not been really much available for a while. We're trying to package a nice strategic course for people to go on, especially with the beginners in crypto. You can take advantage of this course. It's just a little token that you're going to pay, and then you get you get updated on the cryptocurrency market and the world and the cryptocurrency world entirely. So just about $30 or so thereabout. The link will be available soon, and you can get started. But if you're not registered on Binance, you can just open an account down pending when you get the necessary knowledge, or you can just follow our videos and you will get everything that you need. So uh, here we are. For you to sign up, this is Binance. Binance is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchange. You can see boldly written on their homepage here. Join the world largest crypto exchange. Yes, arguably, uh, they are the best at the moment. So you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies here. They have tons of products that they offer you and different things that you can do with Binance. But at this moment here, you just have to take it step by step. So let me just connect, and then we go straight back into business. So here we are with Binance, and you're looking like, how do I get started? First, you register. There's a registration link in the description. If you hit that link, it's going to bring you to a page that we're going to next. So this is the page that you'll be brought to. Create a free account. It's free. You don't have to pay any money for it. If you come here using the website straight, you can easily just put in the referral option, the referral ID, the number. There's about 8 digits or so thereabout. I think 8 to 10 digits. You can put them in for the person who referred you here. If you go through the link in our description, you don't need to put that. You just put in your email and you put in your password and you sign up easily. And when you're done with that, it's going to bring a little slider out. You're going to slide it. And when you slide it, it will send a code to your email. You put in that code and it verifies, and that's all you need. You're in business. So that is how you get your free account. Now when you're done doing that, you log in. So I'll be logging in with an account that I created for the Millosphere, and this is it here. So it's going to bring this slider. This is the same slider I told you to bring when you are doing your registration. So you just put it in, just fitting in puzzles, put it where it belongs, and then it says confirm new device login and all those thereabout, all those kind of things. So it's going to send an email uh, to me carrying some code. So you just click send code. Make sure that you click this send code, because when you're conversing with this platform every day, you're going to be getting things like this. They'll be sending some codes to you that you need to use to activate. So when you do this, when you get the code, you simply just put it in, and then you you are in business. So it's just a way of assuring that there's no it's just security, just in case of people hacking accounts and all that, because whenever you see money going around like this, it's always very prone to being attacked by uh, all this you know hackers and all that. So Binance is one of the most secure platforms out there. So you use this and you are there. So it's going to send a code to me to my email. So just a minute, let me just get this so I can verify, and then I get into business. So you always make sure that you don't just come into the crypto market, just like that, just to have an idea. Okay, Bitcoin is this. I can buy at this price and I can sell at this price without having a working knowledge of what cryptocurrency is about. So you make sure that you take that course on the Melosphere. We have a big announcement coming up very soon. So I think in the next video or so, we're going to release something new about the Melosphere that we're trying to take off this year. So when you do this, you put in this code and all that, you submit it, they say success, and then it takes you to your homepage, to your dashboard. So you can go after it's done loading. I'm using the English. This is the English USD platform. You can customize it to your own taste. If you are in anywhere in the world, your own country, you can pick the languages here. There are different languages here, and then your currency and all that. I could switch it to my local currency in Naira, for because I'm in Nigeria at the moment. So um, here you are, and then you can go straight to your dashboard. Here it takes you to your dashboard, and when you click that, you go straight, it shows you all the assets that you have in this account. So let's see what's up with this. Let's see what's up with this. You have to do your verification. Please don't forget that. When you're done with creating your account, it brings you to here. This is your dashboard. You can see security, identification, API management, reward center, tax center, referral, and ED. You can log out there. Then here is your notification, and then uh, you can see orders. So when you start trading, you can see a lot of info here, the orders. Then here is your wallet. You can see the overview of your wallet, the total asset that you have in your account, the fiat and spot. That means your fiat currency, your normal local currency. If you can deposit that here also. There are wallets for that, and then there are also wallets for crypto, and then your spot wallet, which is your spot trading, which is something I'll cover on later on in this course of this video. So we have margins, we have future, but what a new trader should be concerned with is spot trading. Forget about the margin and futures until you've built yourself all the way up in crypto. Then you can now start going into the advanced places. So after you're done with that, you can see this is a new account. I created it specifically for this video, and although the Melosphere is a platform that we'll be using to trade for some time now. So uh, we should have an account, and so I created that using this. So this is the market at this other side, and then this is trade, where you can convert. You can do your trading. If you want to convert one coin to another, maybe your fiat currency to Bitcoin, or Bitcoin to Ethereum, or USDT to Bitcoin, or anyone. If you don't know all these coins that I'm calling, all this polka dots and all that, just take advantage of the course that we have coming up. It will give you a lot of information to what these coins are and why you should be trading with them. Because I told you, basic knowledge is required. You need to have that. So you can exchange your coins. If you have any USDT, you can change. You can put in. If you want to change 20, you just put in 5. 20. You just put in this 20 here, and then it will tell you how much it's worth in Bitcoin, and all that. And you can change from Bitcoin here. So you can preview the conversion, before it converts. So to tell you what you are expecting to have, you will receive this, but I don't have any sufficient funds. So you can just do that. So if you have enough USDT, you can change it here. It's a way of trading. And then you can also go to the classic trading, which takes you to the main platform, and this is what you're going to be interacting with when you are trading crypto. Uh, it gives you a chart. You have to take note of the candlesticks and all those things, which definitely you can't just jump into it. In fact, I don't expect someone who's a novice in the cryptocurrency world to just come here and start trading, unless you have trading knowledge, from any other currency market or stock market that you're trading before you come here. So this is a whole lot of thing entirely for me to explain, but we'll take it step by step. You can also go to above here, markets. You go to markets, and that's where you see the different pairs of crypto that you can trade: BTC pairs, BNB pairs, Ethereum pairs, and all that. So always put this on the spot market. And I'm going to explain the interface later on and show you guys a lot of things that you need to do. So how do you come in? How do you now pay money in when you come here? So let's just leave this market and let's go back to our dashboard, which is here. You just click on it. So you need to do your verification. Please make sure you do that. If you have your bank BVN, Nigeria, or any other place, you can put in your identity. Maybe I should just, before I go into how you can deposit money, because okay, let's just come here first. Let me just handle this. So this is your balance, is how much you have, your account balance and all that. So what do you do when you've created a new account and you've done your verification? Mind you, this is where you do your verification. You can see VIP0 verify. There's some limitations that have been put on accounts that have not done their verification yet. So make sure that you do the verification. So here you deposit. Let's just handle depositing. You can deposit with your fiat currency, or you can deposit with your cryptocurrency. You can just click it. You can see crypto here, and you can see fiat currency here. So what do? You come here, you pick if you're using USD or you're using any any of your currency. If it's USD, you can put it here for and then to tell you the payment gateway that you can use for this. You can do that 0% fee. That's how you pick. So you always pick the one that's recommended for you. You put that one there. Then but I'm in Nigeria, so let me just use Naira as to tell you bank transfer. So you can do this with bank transfer, which is very, very, very okay. You click bank transfer to tell you how much you can put. So you can see at this place here, it wrote identity verification. Please complete basic info to increase the limit to 101,000 or 116,400. So that is what you should do. So I can't pay anything above this value that you see here because I've not done my verification yet. But once I do my verification, I put in the basic info and all those things, it increases. So I can put in maybe 500,000 and above in Naira, which is about like I think 1,000 plus in dollars. So if I want to do that, I can just say, okay, fine, I want to pay in, I have to do my verification. I can just click this one. I think it's already marked for me because it's the recommended platform. So let me do my verification, and then from there we can. Okay, so when you're done clicking the verification, so you can see this said basic information. Let me just minimize this so we can verify. Now basic information, you can put in your BVN and you can put in your residential address, and that's the basic information you needed that is needed. Then identity and also facial verification, so you can upload a photo ID of yourself and then your face also to identify. So you can do that. You click start and then you put in all those necessary things, but I'm not going to be doing now. I just want to get you familiarized with this interface and then and the things you need to do. So when I'm done doing that, which is I think I'm going to create a video for that. We will show you how you can do all those things and then you can pay your money. But once you're done with that, you're paying your money, and then you have it in your fiat balance. It will be here, your fiat balance. So let's go to fiat and spot. So once that one is done, you have it here, your fiat balance here, this place here. That's where you have it. So you can now see there are tons of coins that you can keep on this exchange. Different coins, different tokens that you can keep here. on your Binance. Normally, it is advised that you should not put your all your crypto assets on an exchange. It's true. You don't need to. You have to have a different wallet entirely, a cold wallet. So if you don't know what a cold wallet is, please just try and sign up for the beginners course, and you'll have, you have all this knowledge. That's what I told you. You need the knowledge first. When you know how to navigate, it's very much easy from there. You can now start trading. So, and that is what it is. So if you want to trade, you can just come here. Maybe I want after I've paid in my money into this account here, which you can see is writing it in dollars. You can change it to Naira if you want, or you can change it to your local currency. So once you have that here, you can come to markets, and when you go to market, um, you can pick any pair that you want to trade. Let's say BTC is the topmost at the moment now, Bitcoin. So I can just put in BTC here and just bring out all the pairs that I can trade with BTC. Okay, you can see them, a lot of them here. BTC, USDT. So here. So now if I have USD, or I paid in fiat currency into my account. Let's come here and we'll just put NGN. So that is Naira. Okay, so you can see all the pairs that we can trade with Naira here. And then you come here to Bitcoin, BTC, Naira. You click on it, it takes you to another page entirely, another tab, and it shows you what you can okay, let's just wait for it to load out. Let's wait for it to load out, and then we can, yep, so I'm just checking something there. Okay, so now you're on this page and you want to buy. Mind you, this is, I think this is an advanced advanced setup. Yes, this is for the advanced setup. So you can see all the trading tools here, which I told you that we have to get into on a different topic entirely. But this that you see right here is what you get when you click on it. Now at the top right here you see a price, and top left here you see the price in Naira and also in dollars. And then here you can see how you can place your orders. Place order. So if you want to buy or you want to sell. So if you want to buy and you've paid in some amount of fiat currency, where you can see here it wrote 000 NGN, that's Naira, because I've not paid in anything. But once I pay in, you start seeing the balance into display here. So you can set the price. This is the price of where the market is at the moment. I think when I came in, or here, or for limit, if it's on a limit order, that means you're trying to set a price that you want to buy at. So even if the price could be above or below the market price. Now, if you want to buy the market price, that means this price that is here, you click on market. So when you click on market, you don't have to set your own price. You just put in the amount that you want to buy, or you can click on it here, or you can use this slider right here to put it, and it's going to display, it's going to pick half of your account. If you put it 100%, it's going to use the total money that you have in your fiat balance to buy that Bitcoin. But if you do not want to use it, you can just slide it down to 50%, and at that 50%, it will pick 50% of what you have in your balance and use it to buy. Or you can just put in the amount of BTC you want to buy for yourself, and then you click buy. And when you do that, you're good to go. That's all you need to do. It will buy for you. If you want to sell also, you can do that. If you want to sell at the market price, which current price here is 14,442,706, you just go there and click market. And when you click market, you put the amount of BTC you want to sell. Because if you have BTC, now you can see at the top here, you can see that there's a change in the BTC. It's no more Naira now, it's BTC. That means if I have BTC already, if I deposited BTC, I can sell it here. If I want to buy, I have to come here and it will bring the value of Naira instead that I will use to buy the BTC. So if I don't want to buy this limit that is here, limit means that I'm looking at the market right now and I'm seeing that it is at the particular price. And maybe I've done my technical analysis, which is something that you have to learn on a separate thing, is crypto trading. If I've done my analysis and I can study this chart very well and I see, okay, maybe the price is going to drop down. So I can pick where I want, maybe here now that I'm putting this cursor on, and I can see this, you can see 13 million, 445, 612. I just put that value here. I'm just going to put it at this price here. Let me just wipe this off and put 13,400 and 512 and 5612. So that's at $28,000. That's what telling me. So if you automatically, if I put in my order and I want to buy let's say I want to buy 0.1 BTC at that price, I'm going to put it here. So it will tell me the total amount in naira, which is 134,000, I think, on 0.1 BTC. Yeah, 13. Yeah. So this is the amount in naira for me. This is the amount in naira. 1,344,561. That is what I used to buy 0.1 BTC, which is it's just a direct conversion. You can even see it from here. So I'll put this and I'll click buy BTC. So once I put that buy BTC there, what happens is that the market will if it keeps going up, it's not going to pick that order until the market drops to that value that I've put here, to that price that I've put here. That's when it picks up. It will deliver my order and I will get BTC in my BTC wallet. That is what happens. If I want to set it higher, which nobody does, nobody buys something high price. They can't tell me this price is low now, so okay, I want to buy it at higher price. No, no one does that. You always want to buy low, so for a lower price. But if you're doing your technical analysis and you've seen that it's going to go up, fine. And if you see that it's not going to go up and it's going to move up higher than the current value, then you can buy it at that current value. And that is what it is to do this. So I'm even going into explaining some things because I'm supposed to cover this in a different video, but let me just give you a little bit of bit of information about this. So that's how you do things. That's how you do things here when it comes to navigation. So you have to study your candlesticks and all those things. So it is not something you can just get in one day, but if you consistently trade with it and you get more information and more things about it, you can actually uh, perfect your trading and understand all these things, the indicators and candlestick patterns and all those things and thereabout. Or if you don't care about all these things and you just believe, okay, let me just come, I don't look at it, I want to buy, I don't care, I'll put it at 14 million and I'll come anytime it hits there, I'll pick my order, fine. But if you want instant, you come to market. If you do not want instant, you want to pick a price that you want to buy, then you come to limit, which is the same thing if you want to sell. So if you want to sell, you can come here and then pick the limit and set the price you want to sell at, which is always higher. And right now, this is what it is. If I want to sell it at 15 million on the dot, what I'll do is I'll just put in 15 million. When Bitcoin gets to 15 million naira for one, it should sell my BTC. So if I have 0.1 BTC, yeah, it will tell me how much I'll sell. So you look at the difference between this and that, and so it's going to sell 0.1. So 1.5 million is what it's going to get for me when I sell at that price. So, and that is how you make profit with it. So sometimes you can easily buy when it's low, like now that it is dropped, people buy. You can buy. It dropped further than this. It went to this price. Or now you can buy. When it goes up, you can automatically set an order that 15 million you sell. So you see, the difference of your gain. So if I'm buying 0.1 at 14 million, current price now 14,470,000 naira, and I sell it at 1.5 million, that means there's a 500,000, to 30,000 naira difference. I think 530,000 naira difference that I'm going to make. So that's how you make money with crypto. You buy low and you sell high, and then you wait again. You buy low, you sell high. Then it drops, you buy low again, you sell high, and that's how you can be. That's one of the ways of making money in crypto. So that is how you trade anything. Any pair is still applicable to it. Now I'm using a classic, an advanced a setting. If you are new to it, I think you should just better stick with the classic. It's very simple interface. Let me just click this. Let me click this classic and see. So it's a different layout entirely, but it's still pretty much the same thing that you do. You have it's just that the whole interface has been rearranged, and you can see you can flip within your different modes that you have. Like I'm using the theme. I'm using night mode, the dark mode. So you can flip it to you know to be brighter if you depend on what you prefer. I just like this dark, you know, setting. I just like it that way. So if I toggle between that, you can see this is what you get, and this is the classic trading for trading platform for it. So all my orders will be placed here. If I want to sell, this is where I put it. If I want to buy, this is where I put it. So it's still pretty much the same thing. Make sure it's on spot, not all this other ones. So you have to go deeper for you to understand this. If I want to go to the market, buy at the market price, this is what I do. I buy at the market price, buy here, sell here. Very, very easy. No too complicated things. You can see the price, moving at the side here. You can also see the list of orders, people that are selling, and then people that are buying on this side. And then you can see your chart here, which you can expand by clicking here to, for you to have a fuller screen where you can use to study and do your your analysis, and then find out whether what you want to, how which point you're going to come in, which point you want to sell, and all those kind of things. So you toggle that, it goes back to this page. Then here you can see different coin pairs that are with BTC. You can easily change from, you can easily pick. If I want to change, if I want to buy another coin pair using BTC that I have bought from, using my fiat. Once my order goes in, I buy Bitcoin using my fiat. I come here back to this page, and then and I will say, okay, I want to buy another coin with BTC, because there are some coins you can't buy with your fiat. But once I have BTC, I can buy other coins with that. So I can come here, and then you can look different pairs. So let me just pick Alpha BTC, and it's going to load the details, the information. So it first give you all this, disclaimer, we are this, we are that. You should just read this, because there are different markets that they will tell you we are not liable for any this thing. You can lose all those warnings and all that. You just click on accept, and then you go. You can start trading. So it has brought out the details. You can just close that. It brought out the chart for Alpha BTC, and then you can buy Alpha with this. If you have your BTC, you can just come down here, just like I showed you. You can just come down here and buy Alpha and sell Alpha if you have. So if you can buy with your BTC that you bought from your fiat. So that is everything. This is a long video. I do not want this to be too long, but this is just an introduction to Binance, how you can get things done. But first, remember, after you've signed up, make sure you do your verification. Provide the necessary documents. It's straightforward from there. When you do those things, you get approved within 3 days maximum. You get approved, and when you get approved, you can now deposit. And mind you, you can come here also. You can buy crypto. There's another feature that I want to talk about. Deposit, bank deposit. You can transfer. It's always cheaper. And then your credit card. So one of these videos, I'm going to do one video to show you how you can deposit. It's going to be strictly for depositing, and then you can use your Visa card. It depends on the country that you are. P2P trading, this is another aspect I can talk about. Cash balance, if you have some cash balance, you can buy crypto with it. Third party payment, they will send you over to another of their affiliate company that sells big crypto, and then you can buy from there, and it will automatically get credited into your Binance account. With all this, you have enough information for you to set up yourself in crypto. So if you have a knowledge of crypto already, you can, with this information, it should help you get a long way. And if you are new to crypto, then you can take our course for crypto beginners, and then all the way. You can go all the way to trading. But this trading is a different ball game entirely. So let me go back to my dark mode chart, which I love so much, and then I think what else again. So this is a classic. You can go back here. This is your wallet to see how much you have in your account, and then this is your dashboard where you go back to. So thank you very much for sticking with me all the way. If you found this video to be educative, please give a like button. Just hit the like button, hit it, and then subscribe to our channel, and you'll get more information. Like I said, we have something new coming up this year, and I'm going to be making the announcement in the next video that I'm going to be doing. So, but there's still some features that I think a lot of people may not be quite used to with this. So I'm going to do a video showing you how you can make some deposits and all that thing. So I'm going to be switching to my own personal account, I think, for that, and I'll be doing these videos to show you, because I've done the verification for that, and I'll show you how you can go about doing all those things, putting in your details and depositing money, and then you can go watch this video again and see how you can trade with it. It's a straightforward process. So thank you very much, and have a wonderful time. God bless.